this is Chris at PosterFix. I recently got a collection of 40 wonderful and rare circus posters dating from 1894 to 1943. Today I'm going to show you about 5 of them, and we're going to see the history of their restoration. But first, let's see what they look like now that we've finished the work. This first poster is from 1942. It shows a banner at the bottom which describes the date and the location. And it's quite a nice image by the famed poster artist McKnight Kauffer. Another one from 1943 for Ringling Brothers. And this one was in pretty good condition compared to the others. This is the John Robinson Circus, featuring Tiny Mite. This has been fully restored. Here is a spectacular poster for M.L. Clark & Sons combined shows. We did a lot of restoration on this piece, and I want to show you some of the history of that restoration. Printed by Donaldson Litho Company. All this tape is going to have to be removed before I linen back it. The residue too, because the residue will destroy the paper over time. It's got some stains along the edge. The image area is in really nice shape. Most of the restoration will be on the edge and in the borders, and also removing tape on the back. Now it's been linen backed and it's drying. By the way, Donaldson Lithography was one of the best lithographers in the United States at that time. Here is the world's first and only group of performing black leopards. Let's see what this poster went through. This Ringling Brothers has Terrell Jacobs, the Earth's foremost trainer of savage wild beasts. We're linen backing this. Jaewon took off the banner and then reattached it again. Alright, from 1894 for the Barnum & Bailey Greatest Show on Earth. It's a 2-sheet poster, but it's broken up into 4 pieces. It's printed by the Strobridge Litho Company in 1894. Strobridge was one of the best lithographers in America. We have to separate the pieces of paper that were overlapped in this original 2-sheet poster.
This is the placement, my feet and linen bag.
Oh, okay. Well, all the pieces have been assembled, and that's what it looks like put together. Nice job. After it's dry, we'll get in and do this paper restoration. This piece was ripped in 4 sections. This poster shows all these different ethnic groups from all over the world. Remember, in those days, there was no radio, television, or even movies. The only way people saw these kinds of things was at the circus. I wanted to give you a good indication of what we can offer you at PosterFix. Bring us your antique vintage posters and we will give them a new lease on life. We will help you increase their value and make them suitable for display. Thank you, and see you next time.